hair that I thought probably looked like this when she was a puppy.
Hey, little baby. Hi. What's up?
You gotta use that camera.
You're gonna be in a lot of vlogs.
So,
Dixie?
you guys all agree?
Yeah.
Should we call
I
her
agree.
Dixie?
I think that sounds good too.
Look at little Dixie.
Oh, she's nice. Oh.
Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Borky back into the YouTube video today.
We got a puppy. Dixie likes my hair. Look at the little puppy. Dixie, what's up? She's such a cutie.
They brought her over and she didn't.
Oh my gosh! We got a dog! So by now you guys have definitely seen this video. This one right here that I'm editing right now. In that video, I said sometime next week we should be getting a dog. I was expecting to go like with them and go get the dog with them. But yeah, they just came home from the store and they got a dog. They got a puppy. We're gonna go to like PetSmart and stuff and pick out beds and pick out a collar. And we picked out a name and her name is Dixie. She's 2 months old and 2 months and 19 days old. She's so cute. There she is. Oh my gosh.
Her legs all.
Oh. Hi. She's so cute. Oh, she's so little. Oh, you like the Crocs? You like the Crocs? Yeah, they're blue. Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
Oh, Dixie. No, don't eat the grass.
Dixie. Dixie. Dixie.
Yeah, Dad.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Want it? Come on, Dixie. Come on. What? What are you doing? What are you doing, Dixie? Dixie. Dixie. Ah, don't get my hair. Ah. Ah. Look, Dixie. Look at that. Look at that. What's this? What's this? Ah. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Dixie. Dixie.
She's so cute. Wait, throw it over there. Wait, throw it over there, Ricky.
Okay, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Go get it. There you go.
She just loves it.
What?
Kind of
Like a small, medium dog.
Oh, look at her. Oh, look at her. She's so cute.
What? Oh. Oh. Dixie. Where's Dixie May? Hi, Dixie May. Alright, so right now we are heading to PetSmart to go get some stuff for Dixie May. Like a new bed, some toys, and food and stuff. And a collar. Look at Dixie. Oh, Dixie's so cute. Pooper scooper. Woo. Let's get our dog some healthy edibles. Get her high already. Oh my gosh. Look, she's like, so many toys. What do I choose?
I just like this one.
Oh, she likes that one.
She likes this one a lot. Okay, we're getting this one.
She just stuck her face on my face.
She's so cute.
She's like, I think I'm overwhelmed, Mom.
We are spoiling this dog so much. Where is she? Dixie. We should just make her look really small and get her a huge bed. Oh, she likes it.
Oh, do you like it, Dixie?
Oh. We got some competition. Wait. Oh.
Look at her in the little corner.
Look how cute she is.
She just get what? What's that? I can't tell if she likes it.
I kind of like that one.
We got some poop bags. We got a little collar for her. Just an itty bitty one. And a little leash. This dog really likes my Crocs. Hi.
Oh, what font?
Ooh, I like that
I like the last one.
Like the last one.
Yeah, I took the last one.
I know.
Dixie.
Isn't that right, Dixie?
When Dixie.
Dixie? She's just eating her first little meal.
We're giving her a little moose first.
Squeak it. Yeah, give it her.
Go get it.
Ah. Oh,
She can.
she squeaked it. Okay, so I just uploaded this video. This is probably the latest I've ever uploaded a video, but now I'm gonna start editing the video that I just filmed today. with our new dog. And hopefully get it up tomorrow so I can upload 2 days in a row. And then I might post tomorrow too. So, I don't know, you have to find out and see. But yeah, we got a new puppy and it's so exciting. Actually, let's go do the outro with Dixie. Let's go do that. Look, it's Dixie. She's so cute. Alright guys, but that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. And if you guys did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are new. And I will see you guys in the next one. Isn't that right, Dixie? Alright, Fifi, peace out. Yay! Woo! I do it for the